Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your Google Pay account is fully verified and your UPI is active. This ensures invites qualify. Next, open Refer and Earn, copy your referral code or link and pick the channel, SMS, WhatsApp, or email so your friend gets it fast. Send a short message with one clear action. Install, sign in, and enter your code. Doing this now raises your chance of the referral triggering the cashback. Timing matters because some offers expire quickly. Once your friend installs Google Pay, guide them through sign-up and KYC. Make sure they add a bank and complete verification because incomplete KYC often voids rewards. Tell them to enter your referral code exactly, case and spacing matter, and show the sign-up field so they don't miss it. Then have them perform the qualifying action, like a first payment or bill pay, and save a screenshot. These steps are the meat of the process. Precision here is what actually triggers the cashback. You finish by monitoring Refer and Earn for the credited cashback, check transaction history, and the referral status within the offer's timeframe. If cashback doesn't appear, compare timestamps, saved screenshots, and confirm the referral code was used. Then contact Google Pay support with that evidence. Common problems include expired promos, mistyped codes, or incomplete KYC on the friend's account, so make sure those are cleared first. If needed, escalate and keep polite, concise documentation to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.